Good morning, everyone. So, once again, we start this beautiful morning with a beautiful thought. Let me start with a story. A father was flying a kite, and the son was standing beside him. Now, the son asked a question that, Dad, what's keeping this kite up? The father replied, It's the string. The son asked, But isn't the string preventing it from going forward? The father asked his son, Okay, if you think so, cut the string. The son cut the string. And what did he notice? The kite slowly went down. That is what happens with discipline. If you discipline yourself, it is not going to prevent you from going forward. It is actually keeping you up. You can go forward very fast. But what keeps you forward, what keeps you ahead, what keeps you, I would rather say, over the top is the discipline. The time you wake up, the time you study, the time you exercise, the time you sleep. All these matters. This is not only going to help you move forward in life, but also will help you to keep you forward. Isn't that important? Don't we look down upon on our teachers, our parents? Why? Because they try to discipline us. And we don't like that. Do you know Mark Zuckerberg? He is the co-founder and chairman of companies like Facebook, Instagram, etc. And many more actually. Have you seen his clothing? Every day he wears the same type of grey t-shirt and blue jeans. Do you think he can't afford expensive clothing? Obviously he can. But he doesn't. When asked, what's the reason of the same clothing every day? He said, I want to focus on my energy on a more important things like work. You know what he has done? How is it related to our topic for today? He has disciplined himself to focus on more important work. He knows that if he saves that much time in the morning, he can work out, he can spare more seconds, in fact, in some cases, more minutes for work. Nobody wants to wake up early. Nobody wants to work hard. Even successful people don't do. They don't want to work hard. They don't want to wake up early, but they do. Why? Because they know that this is the bridge between what their goals are and what they would accomplish. That is the take home of today. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. So discipline keeps you focused on what has to be done today. You don't have to think every day, what should I do today? Discipline does that work for you. Discipline keeps you concentrated on the final goal of success. Discipline actually reduces your load. How? We don't have to think of the path. We just have to focus on the system we have developed and move ahead. Finally, some less work to do.